Hi, I will explain my ChatGPT homework. This is my question. A person shooting at a target has 1/3 probability. Since it is known that this person who fired 2 shots in this target only hit the target once. And what is the probability that he hit the target with the first shot? To determine the probability that the person hit the target with the first shot, given that they hit the target once in 2 shots, and we can use conditional probability. That is correct. We have to use conditional probability to solve this problem. And ChatGPT defines 2 events here. As A is the person hit the target with the first shot, and B is the person hit the target once in the 2 shots. I think this is the B event is not true because we have to find the expected event by dividing it by all possibilities. The expected event is that the person hits the target in the first shot. And after that, it defined the bias theorem. And this is the bias theorem's formula. And after that, it says PA represent the probability of hitting the target with the first shot, which is given as 1/3. Since the person has a 1/3 probability of hitting the target in the single shot. That is true, and it defines the P probability of BA. As we know, it is taught that the person hit the target in the first shot. He should not hit the target in the second one because the question said he hits target once. And if the probability of hitting the target is 1/3 times 2/3, and this is equal to 4/9, and it is not equal to 1. But in this answer, in the solution, it says the probability of hitting the target once in 2 shots, given that the person hit the target with the first shot. In this case, it would be 1, because if the person hits the target with the first shot, they can only hit it once in 2 shots. That's not true. So it's not should be 1, it should be 2/9. I will solve it. Now I will share different screen here. Yes, this is the question, and now I will write my answer here. This is drawing. Now I can say that there are 4 possibilities here. The first possibility is that the person can hit the target with both shots. Let's write it like plus. And the second one is the person misses the first shot and hits the second shot. Misses the first shot and hits the second shot. And the third probability is the person hits the target in first shot and the person missed the target in the second shot. And the final probability is that the person can miss the all shots here. So we can see that there is 4 possibilities here. I will change the color. And the probability of hitting the target is 1/3. Then we have to subtract it from 1 because the old probability is 1. So 1 subtract 1/3 is 2/3. And the expected event is that the person hits the target with the first shot in the question, and since he fired 2 shots, then he must hit the target with the first shot and miss the second shot. So the probability should be hits the first shot and miss the second shot. And there is actually an connection between these two events. So we have to multiply. We have to multiply them. So it will going to, and the expected value should be 1/3 multiplied by 2/3. Then we have to divide it by all possibilities value. Now we can find it because there's a condition here. We can't write here 4. So let's find it. The person will definitely hit the target with 1 shot. This is the condition, and he can hit the target with the first shot 1/3, and so multiply. He can miss the target, and missing the target's probability is 2/3. Then we will write the second probability. We have to sum up because there is a connector between them, or I mean he can hit the target with the first shot and not hit the second shot, or he can hit the first shot and he can miss the second shot. He can hit the first shot. I'm sorry, he can miss the first shot 2/3, and he can miss the hit the second shot, so 1/3. Let's find the values. 1/3 multiply 2/3, it is 2/9 divided by, this is 2/9, and this is 2/3, and this is 2/3. If we sum up, then we will find 4/9. And if we divided the expected events divided by the all events, we can find the answer as 1/2. This is the answer. Now I will show the ChatGPT's answer here. Is it? it found the answer is 3/4 because because ChatGPT thinks that the possibility of event B is equal to 1. So this is a wrong answer. That's all. Thank you.